Hey you all, in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to convert your video files from OBS into a file format that other video editing programs can read. So today we are going to be converting some video files over to MP4. So in OBS Studios, once you have it open, we're just going to hit File and then Remix Recordings. And what this will do will allow us to convert our files automatically in the OBS Studios app without having to use third-party softwares or anything. So first thing we need to do is click on this button with the three dots, and this will allow us to open up a flurry of videos or a window to select. And once we select the video we want to convert, we're going to hit remix, and once it's done remixing, it'll hit record remix, and we are all done. And that is how you convert your video files automatically in OBS Studios. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.